Hello, this is Master Luke Chen. Today we talk about Qigong called Tao Te Ching. Here is beautiful Yangshuo. Here is the water mountains. It's famous for that. Yangshuo is a tourist town. It's beautiful. But anyway, today we want to talk about the vibration in our body. Tesla, not the driving car, but the Tesla, he said the whole universe is vibration. Is vibration. We are vibrates because when you look at it, each atom is a vibration. So the whole body vibration. We're empty. Looks like we're solid, but feels like solid. But in reality, we are empty because 99.999% empty space. So it's just an illusion that we see as solid. So when we're doing the Qigong, we think we just disappear, and because we are in the view of the universe or the eternity. Looking back, everything is temporary. But when we are here, then we see things like a slice of time. So we like a space-time world. So slice, like we are the fourth dimensional, seeing us is the with the time involved. So we are not fixed. We are continuous moving. So vibration is pretty much, so every cell is vibrate. So if you focus on just small, have a small point. So put your hands together, and then I always ask people, is that while student is one finger. When you look at the finger tips, do you think the finger moves or not moves? Is that vibrate or not vibrate? Is that move or not move? And then about half of people, students, during the workshop said, it move. So half of them said, no, I don't see it move. The body doesn't move. And then when you really focus on the smallest part, and it looks like it vibrates, because our heart, boom, boom, the boom, boom, it actually makes your finger move, and then it's like boom, boom. It's a kind of vibration there, boom, boom, boom. And then the heart, and then the lungs, breathing lung, and then the kidneys, and the liver. So the Chinese medicine doctor, they diagnose using the pulse diagnose, because the qi and blood going through the veins and going through the arteries. So they take the pulse, knowing that which organ functioning properly or not, because each organ have a rhythm, release, absorb. Release, absorb is a rhythm to it. So you sense it. So if too weak or too strong or something, they can sense with the hands that so give you a diagnosis what's going on in your body. So in the Qigong, six direction or whatever, or Tai Chi, whatever you're practicing, the whole idea is to get the heart and lungs, because the breath, to do with the breath, and then breathe in and out, deep inside, settle down, and then so the rhythm is corresponding to the universe, the release, absorb. So your breath going back to the alpha state. So in alpha state, there's a criteria. So 1 minute you're breathing maybe 6 times or something. So automatically put your body, your brain wave back to the alpha state. That means neutral state. So you're not stressful, you're just very relaxed. And then, so the idea is when you feel it, and then some teachers at the center, they say they can see chi going through. So like the mist, like the frog and mist going through. But again, the little vibration, little heat there is the blood going through. And of course, in Qigong, we said the chi going through. And then, but every movement, release, absorb, that is in the past, future, now, is in one. So release. Now it's already become the past, and then absorb. Now it's future. You stop. In between breath, there's no time. So release, absorb. So because when you see a Tao is returning, chapter 40 of Tao Te Ching said the movement, the Tao is returning. Then in physics, we said the earth around the sun, move around the sun. So in the morning, the sun comes up, and night the sun goes down. So it's the rhythm to it. But takes now 24 hours for to complete the circle. So this fix, I mean, for billions of years, that's a fix. And then but however, our the release absorbed within one breath is a certain amount of time, so we know what would happen. But because only a few seconds, a cup, and then things still you are still see the water, still see the mountain, still the air, and so it looks like nothing changed. But actually, because it's just here and now changed, in the past, future, now as I speak, it's changing, it's not changing because it's so small. So in Qigong, there's a small, everything has a step to it. 10,000 miles, start the first journey, first step. So that's what going. Release, stop. You must stop, absorb. Release. So you sense, you feel it. Your breath going down to your dantian, your breath. And then the water, so you're breathing in. You feel, because you keep your body soft, like, because we are water inside. 70%, 60 to 70% of our body is water. So we communicate with water. See, with the water here. So we are really, literally, one with the water. One with the water. We're empty. Now see the blue sky. Empty. You feel it. You see? That you feel, we connect with the emptiness. The vibration, release, absorb. So everything vibrates. Everything vibrates. I mean, the water vibrates, the tree vibrates, and the bamboo tree over there, and the mountains, everything vibrates. The whole earth vibrates. So everything vibrates. And then now you keep the release absorb in the what is good for us for living, for health, is the release absorb the alpha state. So you're in that stage, release, absorb, release, absorb. Now when you are actually keep on doing it, keep on just a simple release, absorb. And then suddenly some people might suddenly have a disappearing sensation. So you disappear, your ego, the whole thing disappear. And then when you come back, the healing occur. So that's release, absorb. The key is, how can you keep in here and now, over again, release, absorb, over and over again. That is depend on you, that you tap into the power of here and now. For us, release, absorb. By relaxing the shoulder, the shoulder brace, the tongue, the coccyx, the whole thing, which is part of the training. Of course, if you want to sign up for the online program, and then we have that, and then you can tap into more of the movements, and they improve your practice. But anyway, this is the part of the whole training. It's not just isolated case. I can talk whole day long, but if you don't practice with the release absorb the tape, then you are still searching. And why the tape is so important? Because it's like the sun going down and coming back at sunrise, sunset, according to what? Gravity, the law of gravity. E equal mcc, and all those things, Newton's law, now gravity's law, different ways describe the same phenomena. And then, so the same thing, when you do the release, absorb every day, you relax, let the water go in. This is part of natural law. To me, it's just as important, because we have no free will in such a way that, but knowing that we don't have a free will, we cannot ask the sun, don't set today, don't set sunset, I don't need it. Oh no, you can't. You cannot control that. It is automatic, it's predetermined, and then just like the ship, starship go up there, you already know when to reach a certain point, because it's everything physics already fixed. So by knowing that, we free ourselves. But a lot of times, for example, when we're doing push and pull, and then you really want to get over where there's something, then you tense up. By tensing up, you block the natural flow. That means your own ego get into the way. That's what we call your ego get in the way. So I want these. I really want to develop the power of the chi. So going through our body, going through the micros, macros, cosmic orbits, and then I will enlightened. That's your desire. It's nothing to do with nature, because nature has its own way. The season, summer, spring, autumn, winter, spring, it is already there. So it's not something for us that, well, I don't like winter, so let's have all spring all the time. No, it's fixed. We need to live with it. So with our body, how it's circulating, the vibration of our body, whether you say, oh, I don't want to vibrate. Well, if you don't want it, you don't got it. Not, if you don't got it, doesn't mean that it's not vibrating. It's just vibrating automatically. But since we are doing Qigong, we want to, what? Chapter 48 of Tao Te Ching. That's what we want to, natural long life Tao. So we want to keep our potential, one aligned up with the cosmic, and then follow the flow. It's called Wu Wei. Just follow it. It doesn't mean that it's invisible action. It doesn't mean that we don't do anything and let the sun takes me. No, not like that. We actively involve with the creation, with because every day is different. We actively here and now we create the future. The past now is one. Even though supposedly the whole universe is a loaf of bread, is already there. But for us, no, we are live here and now. So we don't know the future, even though it was supposed predetermined. But once we understand this, we are free. So that's at least I feel this way. Now you might disagree, but anyway, all we have to do is do Qigong every single day. I brush my body with Qi every single day. I feel empty, one with the sky, cosmic. I'm breathing in deep get the air, get the oxygen coming in, and then I vibrate with my body because I release, absorb, and then of course I keep soft like water, and very soft like water, and then of course the lights. You see the lights? We are radiated with energy, with light. Energy is light, so we're radiating with the sun, the energy. We're light being. So, so it's going in, out, in, out. So it's so important that we're part of nature itself and connect to each other through the breath, and then through the vibration, through the light, through water, and then we really through the emptiness. 5 different ways kept in touch with the we call it true reality. God, Tao, nature, the same, immanent. So we believe immanent, part of the whole thing. So when I speak, and I just speak, and it's a Tao speaking. I don't know, but it's a part of the whole experience. All right, so love yourself, love others, love nature is the essence of Tao. I love you from Yang Shou.